Namaskar. A huge welcome to all of you in my channel, The Broken Smiley. So today's video is based on doing your own makeup in your Haldi ceremony or in any party with some easy and quick steps. So let's start this video. So for doing makeup, of course, you have to first apply a moisturizer on your face. So preparation of your skin is really important. After that, I'm here applying primer. Primer is also very important. It creates a base between the other makeup products and your skin, and also helps in long lasting your makeup. Afterwards, here I'm applying this orange corrector under my eyes to just neutralize the color of my under eyes. Afterwards, I'm using this concealer. This is from LA Girl. It's really nice concealer to my under eyes and all the dark spots, just to hide all the dark spots, pimples or anything. And then I'm blending it with the sponge. Blending is really very important because without proper blending you cannot get that flawless finish. So after doing this, I'm covering it with a little bit of compact so that when I apply the foundation, it will not mix with the foundation. Yeah, so this is the time to apply this foundation. I'm here using a Maybelline Fit foundation, and I'm blending it with my brush. So I really like to blend my makeup with brushes because the finish we get from brushes is really nice, but of course we have to blend it very properly and give it a proper time to blend. Now here I'm applying this compact. Okay. Afterwards, I'm doing contouring just around my nose and my cheekbones to create that perfect contoured look. Again, I'm using the same brushes to blend this product on my skin. I have also applied it on my forehead to create a little illusion of a little narrow forehead. Now I'm applying highlighter. I'm using this Maybelline concealer as a highlighter, and I'm blending it with the same brushes. I'm also blending it on my eyes, so it will also create a base for my eye makeup. Yeah, blend it very nicely so that you can get the perfect finish in the final look. Yeah. After that, I'm here applying blush, and I'm using a because usually it's a kind of day function, so I'm using a peach kind of shade. I'm not going with the very loud blushes. So yeah, now I'm using this brown pencil and making my eyebrows. I don't want to make them very fake kind of eyebrows, so I just go with the natural shape of my eyebrows, just filling my eyebrows. That's it. The same eyebrow pencil I'm using as a base for my eyeshadow because I'm just gonna create a little smoky kind of look, but quite subtle, and I'm blending it with the same brush palette. Now I'm gonna start my eye makeup. So first of all, I'm applying a little light brownish eyeshadow over the base. Then I'm using a darker color. I'm just applying the darker color on my crease so that my eyes look deeper. Now this is the lighter shade on the upper portion so that the eye will look quite fresh and little open up. Now I'm using this highlighter and applying the highlighter on my brow bones because that really gives a very nice effect on your skin. Also applying it on my nose and the upper portion of your cheeks to get that highlighted, that dewy look, which really looks nice and very in nowadays. After that, I'm gonna apply eyeliner, and I'm here using Maybelline's liquid eyeliner in jet black shade. It's really nice eyeliner, and I have to create a little dramatic eyes. So I think for that dramatic eyes, I really prefer liquid eyeliners. It is a little, you can feel a little discomfort in making eyes, but with proper time you can make it. So here you can see I'm just applying a little two-line kind of I'm creating an effect which gives them a dramatic longer eyes. I'm not using kajal here. I'm applying this brown pencil to make my eyes little bigger and open kind of. Now I'm using this eyelash color to curl my eyelashes, and then mascara. Mascara is really important. Don't ever skip your mascara because it really opens your eyes and you make your eyes very pretty, very beautiful. Now I'm making the shape. So my lips are a little, not in very good shape. So usually I have to give very much time to making that shape. And because I did a little bolder eye makeup, so I'm here going for a new kind of shape for my lips. Okay, so makeup is done. Yeah, a little things left. So I'm here applying the same highlighter on my nose and on my lipstick also to get that beautiful shimmery effect also in the corner of my eye. So the makeup is done. Now I'm gonna start my hairstyling. So I thought I don't have to go for a dramatic hairstyle, so I decided to go for a sleek straight hair. So I'm gonna straighten my hair. Before straightening your hairs, always use a hair protectant, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just directly doing this. I've just applied some aloe vera gel on my hair. Yeah, I thought it will work. So yeah, I'm using this Philips hair straightener and just straightening my hair to get that perfect sleek hair. I think that really looks very nice and without effortlessly. Okay, so this is the final look. So as I've mentioned, I've created this look for basically for Haldi. So I've skipped that floral jewelry. You can also go with a floral jewelry. I've decided this look with a statement mantika, as you can see, and bangles, and then the neck piece with this beautiful mustard yellow lehenga. I think this looks really amazing and effortless. You don't need to do much for getting this kind of look, and it really looks like you have put so much effort, which is actually not correct. So you can definitely go with this look. Please let me know if you like this look, or I have used all the products are budget friendly products. Mostly of the products are under 500. So if you want to know about these products, please let me know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know your comments, and of course please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and with your friends and families, and let me know your comments about the content and the video. Thank you so much guys.